Welcome back, kindergarten. Today we're going to finish our gardens inspired by Andy Warhol. So here's what you need for today. The background paper of grass that we painted last week, a pencil, Sharpie, glue stick, a pair of scissors. I also have some pieces of colored construction paper. If you're working at home and don't have that, you can always cut this out of white paper and add color. I also have this stencil that I'm including on Google Classroom. So what we want to start off with today is just the construction paper and the stencil and a pencil. So I've included this stencil of a flower to help you if you want to use it. You can also draw your own flowers onto the construction paper if you'd like to. So I have a bunch of different colors here. I'm going to go ahead and trace this flower onto a couple of them. Okay, so I have traced my flower onto 5 different pieces of paper. You can do more or less if you'd like to. I'm going to move my stencil off to the side along with my pencil, and I'm going to grab my scissors so that I can cut each of these flowers out. Okay, so now that I have cut my flowers out, I'm going to move my scissors off to the side. I'm going to get my background paper along with a glue stick. So we want to take our flowers and we want to arrange them in our garden. Some of the flowers can overlap or cover another one a little bit. That's totally fine. But you want to arrange your flowers so that you like the way that they look together. I think I'm going to switch these. All right, once you've decided how you want your flowers to look, we're gonna go ahead and glue them down with our glue stick. All right, so now that I have all of my flowers glued down onto my garden, the last step that you can take is to grab a Sharpie. And we're going to use this to add some details onto our flowers. Maybe, for example, you would like how it looks if you do a little outline of the petals on the inside. Maybe you would like to be able to draw in some parts of the center of the flower. Those details are up to you, but go ahead and use your Sharpie in order to add those different details in. And once you have finished up with your details, you are all done with your garden inspired by Andy Warhol. I hope that they help remind you of spring, and I'm really looking forward to see how they turn out.